Okay, hello to the group. John Sturr here from Holiday, Utah. I'm going to do an unboxing of a new rod I picked up from AliExpress. The crazy thing about this is that I ordered it on the 7th, and today's the 12th, and 5 days later I got it. Totally unexpected. So let's do it. Comes in a tube like this. I just cut the end off, make it a bit easier to pull out. It's a spinning rod. It's a heavyweight spinning rod because, grab my knife. I should probably be using scissors, but I'm not because I'm risky like that. This could be bad. Hopefully it won't be. So I wanted something a little more heavyweight for my spinning setup, and I'll show you the spinning rail that I'm going to put on this in a second. Comes in a case. It's a Lurestar Vikas S692 medium heavy. They don't make a heavy; they only make a medium heavy. But I really like the Lurestar brand and what they've done and the quality of their stuff. I've bought a few rods this year on the AliExpress, and you learn a lot when you're buying stuff, and it's a lot of fun because it's fairly inexpensive too. I think this was like $100, and depending upon the sales and different things, you can get it for cheaper. Has the dots on the pieces, so you know how to line it up, which is nice. Comes in about 100 grams, which is extremely good. Maybe 105 grams. I'll have to weigh it. All cork handle, and cork butt, which is incredible. You gotta look for that stuff, and it's some kind of carbon fiber mojo that they make it out of. So let me read off what the words say on this. Lure weight 7 to 28 grams, line weight 8 to 20 pounds, and PE line 1.2 to 2.0. It's the S692 medium heavy. I think it's going to be great as I put it together. Oh, that's going to be awesome for worms, heavier crankbaits, those types of things. And then what I'm going to do is I picked up a Abu Garcia Cardinal 4. I did a review on this too on the YouTubes. But I'm going to take this, I'll put the handle on. To put it in the box, you gotta take the handle off. So this is a like I've said before, mint condition from, let me look at the date, 1984. Abu Garcia Cardinal 4 with the stickers. This is after Abu got the rights from Zebco, and then this is going to go right on here, and it's going to be incredible. So I guess, like I've said before in my other rod reviews, look at your options. Look at your options out there to purchase stuff, whether it's Craigslist, AliExpress, eBay. Take a look at what your budget is and see what you can do. See what you can figure out. The guides look great. And then hit it. Make it happen. Because, I mean, from the Garcia side, And then the Daiwa side, and I don't even want to mention the Luma side. It's hard to beat this stuff. It really is. It's hard to beat the options that you have to take advantage. And let me count the guides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 guides. 9 guides on a 6'9" rod. Yeah, that's pretty good in my book. I'll put a link to this in the description, and you can check it out. They're having a big sale right now in November. I think these might even be like $80. Not really sure. But that's the Lurestar Vikas S692 medium heavy. I hope this is worth something. I hope this kind of helps. Kind of, it gives you an idea to take a chance. And like I said, I ordered it on the 11th, and it's already here. Mind is blown, including a weekend. Less than 5 days. Awesome. All right. Thanks for everything. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. Cheers.